disconnect is just inside here. You pull this little tab out. You probably can't see it, but super easy to disconnect. And then I'll just push the ignition button and we get nothing, just proving that the battery is disconnected. The seat is off the seat base. Now this is what I want to show you guys. This is why we disconnected the battery right here. There we go, we got it. That is what can set off an airbag light for you, so be very careful. Make sure the battery's unplugged. But now the seat is completely taken off of the seat base. Now we can put in the Scopema swivel seats from Vanlife Outfitters. I'm so excited. Let's get these in. Now it's time to put the bolts in that are gonna hold the swivel seat down to the seat base. We'll start by swiveling the seat a little bit sideways just so we can get to them. And let's put these bolts in. These swivel seats are built to fit right in place, so the hole's lined up, but I just had to fight it a bit. Next up is gonna be fitting the seat over the Scopema swivel seat base. And just like that, my swivel seats are in. This was a really easy process. And I want to make sure you guys know I am by no means a professional. I'm just figuring this out as I go, and that was really easy. As simple as this is, you just spin this back into place, it locks in. You pull this lever down here, and it spins. And it spins, and then boom, locks back in when you're gonna drive. That is so easy. But the true test is gonna be when we plug the seat back in and see if the airbag light comes on. I'm praying it doesn't, and I don't think it will. So let's do that together right now. I'm gonna attach this wire back to it. Let's go plug the van back in to the battery. If that makes sense. All right, we're getting in. Will it work? Starts up. No warning lights. I think we call it a success. All right, seats are in, and I'm sure you guys are wondering, how long did this take me? Well, let's look at the clock. We have 27 minutes left on the clock. That means I did this in 33 minutes. 33 minutes to install a swivel seat. I think that speaks for itself. This is something I'm still new to, and this is probably the quickest install I did in my whole van. Under an hour, under 35 minutes, incredible. So go to Vanlife Outfitters, pick up some of these swivel seats, install them yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. The scary moment of truth. Van is plugged in. It made a noise. Let's turn it on. I don't have my key. Let's go get my key.